Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide highlights on Instagram. So for this, first of all, you have to go to Instagram application and go to your profile. And now here Instagram gives you an option using which you can add your stories to your highlights that you can even watch it after 24 hours. So stories only stays for 24 hours, and if you want to view them later on as well, or if you want that your friends can view them later on as well, you can add them to highlights. As you can see, I have created two highlights here. You will see some of my stories that I have posted in the past, but now if you want to hide any of these highlight, you cannot simply do that as Instagram doesn't give you an option. Instead, what you can do is you can simply remove that particular story from your highlights. Let's say this is the highlight, or this is the story from your highlight that you want to hide from everyone. So simply need to remove it like this. Tap on this remove photo, and this will remove this particular video or photo from your highlight, but this will not delete it. If you want to add it back later on, you can do that as well. What you need to do is go back to your highlight, press the three dots at the bottom right, and now as you can see, the first option remove from highlight and the second option edit highlight. So if you tap on it, and now as you can see these options, if you go to the stories tabs, and now you can see all your stories here that you have posted till date. So as you can see, the story which I removed before, it's still there, so I can add it back. If I want to add it to my highlight, I just need to select it and press done in the top right. So that's how you can hide any of your stories from your highlights on Instagram. You can simply remove it. If in case you are creating a new story and you want to hide from only a few contacts on Instagram, you need to hide your story first of all, and then you have to add it to your highlight. That's how you can hide your highlight or your stories from certain people on Instagram. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.